So windy, right? Dito, dito.
Wow! Hi, girl!
Gen Z.
Akala mo Katrina nagtingin.
Yung kending mo, yung kending.
Kasi bago. Ayan, ayan, turkey.
Huli.
Yung clubhouse. So dito yung ano, parang restaurant. Like your room? Hi.
Nakakaintay kayo sa katiwala na ako. Ay, dalawa ni Ivy.
Naglinis talaga ako. Stockholder.
Kasi.
This is the villa. Nice. Oh.
Sanctuary.
Oh, mag-eat muna, no? Gonna eat and then swim. Thanks.
Sa mini bar.
Kuya. Kuya. Ano ba yung corridor? I-deliver lang dito.
Dalawang bedroom lang dito. Lolo yan, lolo. We here in the cabin. So there's a second floor. First room. Second room. May CR dito. Another CR. I showed you na pala earlier. And then the downstairs. Pose! Ate Cassie, careful po!
It's a glass house.
Wala talaga siyang blinds, no?
Wala. Glass house nga kasi.
This is the downstairs. Oh, and then one more room here. Dito sila mama. Dining.
Say hi to the vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Yung pinakamataas na. Hi! Ang ingay ni River kanina, nagulat si Kyra. Umiyak siya.
Baka maipit na sa ano. Change na? Be gentle with Cairo. Palagay ko, up and down mo ng mama niya. Palagay. Let's go!
Great stretching time!
Are we ready to swim?
Your hand. I will hold you. I will hold you.
Alone.
Oh, where's Daddy? Oh no, where's Daddy? Look, River, look here. Where are you going?
You're floating. Very good.
Si Cairo. Parang naiinggit yata.
Buti yung napadali kayo.
Oh, look at Ate Meto. Oh.
Pero
Diba
pwede
you can
yung
do it?
magbili-bili ni Cassie.
Go. Oh. Tatakot pa siya. Oh, careful.
Yay! Very good, Cassie!
Yay! You're cooking.
We here by the pool outside. Hi. Chica chica.
Okay, come on. Wait, di pa na-open. Behind is our villa. And then we're going to see the clubhouse. Come on.
Resto. Good knock. Resto. Dinner time. Ngayon pala, nagkakagulo na. Buffet style. Ay, mga kids. Kain na guys.
Miss Cassie. Cassie Bayo.
Okay. Sasagutin ko ng maayos.
Dahil panelist mag-paint lang. Ayun na. Cool down na tayo. Cool down. Ate. Cool down.
Fred kasi kayo ng Fred. Sabi ko.
Ganun ko ginawa ko. Alam mo kanina, may water cannon sila doon.
Tananan. Tanananan. Tananan. Tananan. Clean up ka sa akin. Tanananan. Tananan. Habang bata. Maghabulan sa damuhan. Damuhan. Pigrolak. Pigrolak ka sa angin.
Cute din to, no?
Kala ko nga may ilaw siya. Mga bully. Fish bomb.
Walking, walking, walking. Diyos ko, ang lamig. Ano, Vin? Hi, Cara. Hi. Morning. This is the main yard. Main yard. Ganyan lang siya. Ikot-ikot. Uy, tara, bike tayo, guys. Tapos, ito yung resto. Jumping, 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 jumping. Jump! Bekis mo na siya. Baka siya yung Prince Charming mo. Paano siya, tatalon? Uy, bike.
Ayun.
Oh, magkayak tayo, guys. Paano ka sasakay dyan?
Ah.
Hi! Cairo! Hi! Tambayan. Tuma. Nan.
Yan. Want something also?
Talagay ko gusto mo. Ay, lapit ka. Lapit ka doon. Ah, never ah. Ay, ayaw. You don't like river.
Get mo, River. Eat mo, eat. Stand up. Yay! River.
Oh, di ba?
Hey, blow.
Kaya na tumatawa siya, di din ako na.
River, stand up.
Gusto mo dyan, river?
Wait, dala mo din siya. Pusit.
Si ano, kuya. Hi guys. Nagpakuha.
Magaspak sabi sa
Sabi niya, huwag niyo na akong pilitin, please.
Teka na, chinito.
Si Bulondong.
Gusto mo pala yan.
Eat na? Eat? River, eat? Wait, which one? Which one eat mo? Okay, oh, eat. Paano ka mag-eat? Eat. Okay, subo. Hindi pa ako pumanik. Mmm. Ay, no, tinakot ni Kuya.
Kausapin mo siya, River. Say hi!
Hi, Cairo.
Hi, Cairo! Oy, oy, oy. Hi, Cairo! Oy, shoes! Oy, shoes!
Ano siya untugin?
Inigis niya. Oh! Hug! Hug, oo. Hug!
Ginahayap ka niya.
Hug! Happy? Oo, no, not sa face.
Hindi ba iba itong chocolate, ha?
Napunta yung laway sa Ay, Diyos ko naman. Naka-off shoulder. Ay! Morning, pretty! Ay, naka-makeup ka yata. Grabe. Oh, ready ka na, ready ka na.
Hindi ko ready, no?
Ate, paano? Paano yung mga posing? Paano? Paano yung eyes? Paano yung eyes? Ay, Diyos. Ay!
Okay. Oh, one more.
Saan pa kaya? Saan pa kaya? Ay, saan pa kaya? Grabe. Ay, grabe.
Ano?
Ay, Diyos ko. Emote.
Oh, show me your shoulder. Show me your shoulder.
Ate.
Ah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smile! With cheese,
Bring
with
your other
cheese.
hand like this. Your other hand.
Yeah.
Smile. Be your smile.
Ha 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 ha.
There you go.
Ano? Ay, pati yung paa. Diyos ko. Drama. Drama. Alakad bap. Tapos yung eyes mo, parang yung medo. Wanna talk. Ay!
Smile with it.
Smile with teeth.
Spout it.
Anen?
Okay.
Aha.
Tapos your
Hala?
other hand. Move it to your chin.
Yan. Oh, saglit. Nagpupoto.
Smile.
Smile! Yan!
Laughing. Ha.
Oh, look at the camera.
Alam ko ba?
Ito.
Yeah. Parang touch mo yung other.
Yan. Oh, look at the camera. Smile. Happy. Oh, look at the camera.
Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. They say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have. And let the light shine through.
Hey, madam, say hi. Say hi.
Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything everything around me was
Yeah,
connected
perfect!
somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
Gusto niya yung yogurt. Ate, can you give? Please. Ate Meadow, please. I'll give mo na. Thank you, ate.
Ganda na pants mo, te. Love it! Ano kayo naman?
Okay, oh, done na yung visit. Kakain na. Kakain na ba niyan? Tara.
4 p.m.
Grabe. Grabe talaga, ate. Ate Meadow, grabe talaga. Ay, grabe talaga. Oo nga naman, hindi nakakatawa yun. Eating time! Hi! Busy. Busy siya mag-eat. We are here at Gilbert's. Wow, okay na. Okay. Hi! Early dinner! Early dinner!
Hi guys! So, today's video.
Mainit.
So, today's video, I'm gonna show you my. So, my back. Say hi guys!
Hi to your vlog.
Yan yung mga kasama ko. Ayan. Sa akin to.
Natatakpan.
Wait lang nga.
Okay, nag-order na kami. Mag-order po kayo. Adobong balot?
Apo.
Ayun, Dan.
Noon,
Kilawin.
kaming lahat, kumain kami sa Plaridel, pero kahit 10 taon meron na yun. Yung kaming lahat.
Yung parang oriental. May ano.
Matagal na. Ayun, sa luma pa yata, di ba?
Sila kinky soup sila.
Sa kabila, sa kabila.
Ibe! Hi!
Wala pa.
Isa pong ano? Tofu steak. That's my baby brother.
Pang solo lang po
Nakaisip
yan.
ko.
Share. Wala pang rice.
So, hello guys. So, ngayon guys,
Pero ano, kung
magmumukbang.
may iba kasi si Mama, Geotech. Kung gusto mo mag-Geotech.
Nagkaalala po yan, kuya, na
Nagka-masteran siya.
masters ko yung specialization ko. Ayun, naman po natin.
Pero kung gusto mo, kung gusto mo, pasok
Race.
Ano pangalan? GH.
Ingredients.
Ano yung sabihin ng GH? Hindi ko rin alam. Ano? Hindi.
Yung company doon.
Ang full name ay JHD PTY Ltd.
JHD PTY?
Oh, Ltd. Ano yung sabihin mo? JHD Group.
Construction.
Medo, tabi.
Ay!